Alright, good day viewers. Today I want to share a very powerful web application with you. This web application is an equipment management system. It is a system that will allow you to manage all equipment in your organization. So it's very easy to use, very easy to set up. You don't need to download anything to set it up. All you need is just with a link you get access to this web application, and it is very secure. It has high security. Okay, so I'm going to put you through how to make use of this web application without taking much of your time. So this is what you are going to see when you click on the link. This is the first page you will be seeing, the login page. Now you have different level of users on this web application. Let me go to the sign up page so that you can see the level of users. So in the sign up page you will see that we have row. You have the user row, the admin row, and the super admin row. Okay, so the super admin is going to be the one that can manage overall equipment and overall users in this web application. That is what called the super admin. Now, the admin is the person that has limited management access. So the admin can only manage users and equipment, but not all the things that concern users that admin can manage. It's only super admin that can manage everything. So the user will have access to the web application to see what equipment is given to him or her. Also, the user can write a report concerning whatever equipment is given to him or her. Let's say, for example, the system is given to a user in an organization, and the organization is having difficulty with the system. Probably the keyboard is seizing, or the screen of the monitor is faulty, things like that. You can report to the super admin, and then the super admin will know what to do from there. If it is to fix the system and then get back to you. So the super admin can also give you feedback on whatever is going on with your system. So very quickly, let's dive in and see how we can use this software. So I'm going to log in as a super admin now. I already signed up as a super admin. Okay, so I've already signed up as a super admin, and I'm going to sign in now for you to see. So you see that I'm having difficulty signing in. I guess my password was not entered correctly. The error invalid email. Okay, I have to use my name, that's why. Alright, so I've signed in as a super admin. When you sign in as a super admin, you will see this dashboard. The dashboard is going to display the total inventory. That is all that you have stored on this web application. Then you are going to see faulty items. Those are the total number of equipment that are faulty. You are going to see good condition, total number of systems that are in good condition. Then you are going to see vacant, total number of systems or equipment that are yet to be assigned to the user. So these are the things you see in the super admin dashboard. Also, you see inventory by category. So we have different category of equipment here. We have the system category, the TVs, the printer, camera, etc. So you are going to see the total number of each category here also. Then underneath you can see recent updates. Here you will see the latest equipment that you have added in this area. Alright, so let's go to what a super admin can do on this web application. At first, the super admin can manage users. Okay, so when you click on users, you are going to see the total number of people that have registered on this web application, and then you can change their role. If someone is signing in as a super admin, is signing up as a super admin, and that person is not supposed to be a super admin, you can quickly change it from here before you approve. So when I click on this approve, you will see that it will change to pending. So the fact that it has changed to pending, it means that particular user cannot log in unless the user is approved. That's when the person will be able to log in on this web application. So let me change it back to approved, because I am the super admin, and then if I'm not approved, I won't be able to log in on my next login. Alright, so you can see here too, we have assigned equipment. If an equipment has been assigned to me, even as the super admin, I will see the name of the equipment here under this assigned equipment. Now, as a super admin, I can print all the users in this web application by just clicking on this print report. So when I click on print report, you are going to see all the users listed, and then I can print, you see. So you will see the name of the user, the role, the status of the user, and then the system that has been assigned to the person. You are going to see all that there. Then you can print it and share with your can share it with your users, your employees, your staffs rather. Okay, so that is that about the user. You can also search for a user here. You can search for a user. You can refresh. You can refresh the user page. That is that about the user. So let's move to the equipment part. Now here in the equipment panel, you can actually add new category of equipment. You can add new equipment. You can add manually, and you can do bulk. You can add through this this button here that looks like share button. It is upload button. You can add bulky equipment using this method, CSV format. Okay, so it means that all the equipment must be arranged in an Excel for you to be able to import it here directly. Okay, apart from that, you can do it manually. You can add new category if you want to add new category. I've already added all the category that I need. You can see add new category. So let me just add a new category. Let me call it power supply, and then let's say generator is what I want to add now. Then I say save category. So automatically you are going to see that generator category has been added. Okay, so now that we have added the generator category, I can decide to add new equipment. With this plus button, I can add new equipment. So here I will see all the category. You will see power supply down. Have you seen it? Power supply here. So I can select category. Let's say system is what I want to select now. I'm going to give the tag of the system. Let's say the tag of the system is HP 112233. For example, the system, I will select the status, whether it's in good condition, faulty, partially good, vacant. So if I don't want to add anybody, I can select vacant, that I don't want to assign it to anybody yet. And then if I want it to be set that is in good condition, I will add it. Then the model of the system